Oh, I am so pooped. I wish I had a magic wand to do my work for me.
You would if you were in India.
Huh?
Sarika.
Oh, yeah, the maid, the bai.
Yeah, she was very good.
I wish I could get a bai like that in the US. Sureka would sweep and swab the house. She would
Mop the house. Swab is what pirates do.
mop the house. She would clean the kitchen, wash the dishes, do the laundry. She was good.
Yeah, definitely a luxury. Here in the US, that kind of service would be expensive. How much do we pay Sarika?
I think about 3,000 rupees. Yeah. That's about $50, but that was for a month. She came every day except for Sundays. I hear that it's more like $120 now.
You know, here in the US, it'd be more like $120 an hour.
Yeah, there's definitely some advantages to living in India, but you have to be there to experience it. Come, travel with JWN to India and... Really, what are you doing?
I'm making your dream come true. I'm your bai, madam. I cook, I clean. That'd be $120, Tika.
Goofy.
Seriously, go to India with her. There's so much more to it than you would even believe.
Ditch those guidebooks. Experience the life of a local. We have some fabulous journeys coming up. Link in the bio.